Let's do it. Watch this. Okay, you got a screw on the bottom and on the top. Now you pull this out, and it might be a little stuck if it's never been taken off before, probably. Alright, okay. Anyway, get that done. Then you flip it over. Alright, so here, obviously, this is where the cable comes out the bottom. It's got a little clip here. And right here is where the cable attaches. That's where the cable attaches, right there. You can go ahead and take that out. If you can see that. It goes right there. Then, just gotta get this off. Grab it back a little bit. Give it a pinch and push it through. Voila. I'm gonna unravel it.
Now I can have the...
Let you pull that out. Stick it back in there. I'm gonna have to reach in. Reach in here. Alright, I got it. I feel it.
And then,
pull it through there. Yep. And then I'll put this back in the hole. Put it back in the hole where you got the other one out. Stick it in there like that. And it's gonna pull a little tight, or this one does anyway. You just push it, snap it back in there like that right there, like that right yonder, and we're almost in business. I'm gonna flip it back over.